Hey, beautiful soul, welcome to Love, Light, and Power. So, if this reading found you, then believe me, this is not a coincidence. There's definitely some very important messages and blessings that are hidden in this reading. So, for that, today we're going to take a look at 4 major blessings or messages that are meant for you that are coming your way in the coming 4 months. And for that, we'll quickly take a look at your current energies, and you can probably understand whether through these current energies if this reading resonates with you. And post that, we'll take a look at 4 major blessings that are going to come your way, and this is going to be a short reading. So we have the 5 of Cups. This is your current energy, okay? We have the Queen of Swords. We have the World card, and we have the 3 of Cups. Bottom of the deck, we have the 10 of Wands. These are your current energies. So we have the 10 of Wands at the bottom of the deck, 3 of Cups, the World, Queen of Swords, and 5 of... So you can clearly see that from your current energies, what is coming across is that you have been through some kind of a loss or some kind of sorrow you've been through in the last few months or maybe a few days, something of that sort. But you are completing a major cycle over here, wherein you are finding that strength and determination to move on from this loss, whatever this loss is, and you're completing this major cycle. And this particular cycle has been quite burdensome for you, but you're moving on to some kind of joy and happiness post that. So you're moving on to this kind of an energy wherein there is a lot of joy, happiness, celebration happening over the next now, from now onwards. But yes, you are completing a major cycle which is quite burdensome, unsettling, something which is giving you pain, loss, some suffering. And you have learned because of this loss or whatever suffering that you've gone through, you have learned to also become a bit assertive, set your boundaries. You've learned your lesson. So you are clearly moving on to a happier phase. Also in terms of whether you feel this reading is resonating with you, apart from these energies, I can also feel there's a lot of yellow around you. Either yellow is your favorite color, or sunflowers could be relevant, sun could be relevant, the color yellow or gold could be relevant. So take what resonates, and if this resonates with you, then please put it down in the comment section. Also, scrolls, those Chinese scrolls. So scrolls are looking very relevant, and maybe a quill or a feather. If you've seen feathers around or something like that, that is looking relevant. If some of you have some kind of a frame or something which depicts all the 7 chakras, that could be somewhere close to you. You could be sitting somewhere close to a desk with a notepad and a pen, or you could be noting down something just before this, listening to this reading. So just take what resonates and leave out the rest. But do let me know in the comment section if any of this resonated with you. So now we'll quickly take a look at what are the 4 major blessings that are coming your way in the coming 4 months. We have the 6 of Cups, the Emperor. This card is coming out. We have the Chariot, and we have the Page of Swords. And we'll also pull out 1 card each from the Moonology deck for each of the 4 tarot cards. And we'll pull out 4 cards from this deck. So let's take a look at these cards. We have the Six of Cups card. The energy is gaining momentum. So what I can get out of this is that if there was some kind of a disappointment or some sorrow or loss over something that you had lost some time back, I think you're coming out of it beautifully. And there is some old lost friendship, relationship, could also be romance, which is getting rekindled. So that energy is gaining momentum, because this card is clearly saying that the energy is gaining momentum. So this could be some kind of a relationship, friendship, or some some friendship, some relationship which kind of, you know, you lost touch with this person, but it's getting rekindled again, and that energy is gaining momentum. So this is your one blessing that is coming up. We'll take a look at one of the cards from this. Compromise. So possibly this is trying to tell us that, you know, both of you are, you know, coming to a compromise over here, and that's the reason why your friendship or relationship is getting rekindled again. You're coming back to talking terms if there was some issue over there in that area. That's your first blessing. Now the second one, what we are coming across is that we have the Emperor, and this card is telling us, show the world the real you. So what I'm getting from this particular blessing is that if at all there was a phase where you know, you felt that you were being overlooked, people were kind of not treating you correctly, you were not assertive earlier, you learned to be assertive, because of which now you will see a different you. There's a change in your personality wherein you see people actually start perceiving you as someone who has some kind of authority, who is practical, grounded, as well as someone who is very sensible, someone who is intelligent, and someone who is approachable as well at the same time, but someone who's assertive as well. So your whole personality in front of the world is going to be different 4 months from now. This is another blessing that is coming. So show the world real you. So people are perceiving you as a much more grounded, practical person, and they will treat you with that kind of respect which probably was not coming across earlier. So we'll take a look at this card as well within the next few weeks. So it's not 4 months also. This is going to be happening within the next few weeks. You will see that change, because there's a completion over here. The World card, 10 of Wands. So you are leaving the previous cycle and you're moving on to a new cycle. So this is happening for you. This is the second blessing. The third blessing that is coming across is that, you know, which is very clear, you're completing one cycle and you are moving quickly to a new one. Now this could also mean for some of you, you're purchasing a new vehicle. I'm also getting this intuitive feeling that you are, for some of you, you could be moving to a new house. So I see a new house that is coming for some of you. Some of you may be relocating, some of you may be purchasing a new vehicle. Some of you are, you know, quickly moving on to probably a new career as well. So there is momentum here, there's rapid change, and 4 months down the line, you're going to be in a different place. So this is coming across as the next blessing. And here the card that came out is your dreams need a practical plan. So you need to be aware that whatever you are chasing after, trying to manifest, it needs a practical plan. But surely this is coming across because with the Emperor card, you are, you know, looking more practical now as well. So you are definitely, you know, you are manifesting this dream of yours. So that's your, you know, the next blessing. And I'll pull out this card as well for this third blessing in the near future. So this is for sure, this is coming towards you, coming in the next 4 months. And you can really be rest assured that this is coming to you very quickly, because we have the Chariot card. And the next card which is come across is the Page of Swords. Now, like I said, there is some kind of socializing, fun, friendships, and social networking which is happening for you very soon, or probably you are, coming into that phase already. And the card that came off is a win-win outcome is forecast. So with the Page of Swords, what I'm getting is that for a lot of you, you will be socializing and you will be creating this social network around you, wherein you will find a lot of new connections which are going to help you in setting up something. And this could be something online, or wherein you can kind of communicate what you are, say if you have some kind of a business where you are selling some products. So this networking is going to help you really get your your products that you are selling, get them out there even more. So there's this some kind of an increase in your business. And this is not necessarily only pertaining to, say, products. This could be online presence as well. So the way you are being noticed, that is happening via your online connections. So you are doing a lot of socializing, and via these social connections you are visible online, and due to this you are able to either sell your products, or maybe you're an online, you are a content creator, so probably you're going to go viral or something on those lines. So this is your fourth blessing that is coming across, and we'll take a look at this card, forgiveness. So probably you're being told that if you need to also practice forgiveness for your blessings to come true. So this could be probably like say in this case you've had some kind of issues with someone, and you've probably lost a friendship or something like that on those lines. Then you need to forgive. So that is the card that is come across. It's just a guidance that is coming across, that you need to practice forgiveness for these blessings to come true for you. So these are the 4 major blessings that are coming towards you in the coming 4 months. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you did, then please do press that like button, and do subscribe to this channel if you've not yet already. And with that, I'll close my reading here. Lots of love, light, power to all of you. Peace out, my lovelies.